ugly as hell, bro. You're ugly as hell. Oh my.
Give me you need shut up for boo.
What I just hear? Huh? Huh? Did you just say the N-word? Because guys are racist.
Your mama got on you with that boat, nah, your mama ducked you too bad. Nah, you want mama, your mama did not just leave you. She was sleeping with more women too bad. She dead hoe. Are you kicked out your mama hoe when you dog our mama too bad, bitch? Give me you need to shut up, hoe. Go kill yourself too bad, bitch.
Little kid, can you please just stop talking? You little yapper. All you're doing is yap,
Shut up,
yap,
nigga.
yap. Bro, you're. What I just hear? What I just hear? You say you're racist? You say you're racist? Huh? Huh? Did you just say the N-word? Huh? Come on, go ahead. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Do it. Come on. Say it. Say it.
Too bad, hoe.
Say the N-word. Come on, do it. Do it. You have
You a
balls to-
bitch like
No,
your
you're-
mama too bad, hoe. Let me go kill yourself.
No, you want to know something? So
You
many
wanna know
people.
something? You don't got her, nah, you got edges, motherfucker. You need shut up.
But shut the fuck up. Dude, stop talking. You're a yapper.
You booyah Nicki Minaj
Can I take a turn to roast you?
Paka, nah, go. Give me
Oh my
new
god,
time,
you're doing so
shut up, nigga. Yo, booyah, T-boy,
You're ugly as hell, bro. You're ugly as hell. Oh
Give
my.
me you need shut up for boo, nigga.
Is this guy's racist? Look at his profile picture. Look at his profile picture.